We're in the jungle, though. Yeah, we're in the jungle of Buxton.
Some of the fish are dead still. Playing dead, aren't they? Some of them is really.
Well, that one, look how fat. I think that one's pregnant with its belly.
Oh. Dad, look at this one.
Put the camera on the water.
No.
Why? It's waterproof.
Oh, this orange one.
I don't scare them. It's the botanical gardens in Buxton.
Dad.
Well,
Dad.
it's not very warm in here.
Not
Used to be.
There's caterpillars here.
There used to be, I'm sure there used to be butterflies in here when I was a kid. I could swear there used to be butterflies.
That's gone the past.
The renovated conservatory was officially opened on the 29th of March 1982.
You wouldn't even be alive then.
1982? Of course I would. It's 37 years ago.
So you'd be 6?
37 years ago I would have been
2.
19, something like that.
No, you'd be 2.
I can't remember. No, 1982. No,
now.
of course not. 1982. I started 86.
You'd be 39 because you're 39 now, aren't you?
I'm 52 this year. 1982 was 4 years before I started work, so I'd have been 14. Who? You've told them. Don't do that. It's cruel.
Dad.
Here's the opera house, though.
Nice.
Yeah, I'll take a look inside the entrance, though. No, it's closed.
Mom, it's good.
Oh, let's see what's on.
No.
The carpenters. Certificates. Something like certificates, wouldn't it?
They normally do. They do have children's shows. Shows are here, look. Puss in Boots, a ballet for children.
That's the 3rd of May, yeah. Huh?
The Take That experience.
That's not supposed to be very good.
No.
We are, Luke.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh.
So you can mention it on the video.
Okay.
We've just walked past the entrance of the park and we've just smelt
A bit of a weed.
bit of a weed.
And I saw a person down there, and I think it's like leaves.
Smoking something.
Oh. Smoking poo.
The band playing.
Nice. Does it stink? Does it?
Then we're in Buxton
Can we
and
spit it out after?
yeah, if you don't like it, this is where they come and fill bottles up with Buxton water. It's supposed to have healing and therapeutic properties. The reality is it stinks of rotten egg.
Rotten egg?
Yeah, because it's come from, makes it trumpet. It's come out of the ground, hasn't it?
Oh. What?
It's come out of the ground.
Should we just like put it in our hands and like go?
Yeah, you can have a taste. We'll be queuing up for it.
We're gonna see like over there. Here. Is there 2?
No, there's just the one fountain here. Look.
Is it freezing?
The water, no, it'll be warm because it's come out of the ground. So it's like almost like volcanic.
It's volcano.
Well,
Volcano water.
it's passed through layers of the earth. And this always runs. It doesn't matter how much of like there's a drought. Do you want to have a taste?
Yeah.
Go on then. Put your hand in and taste the chumpy water. Go on.
How can that smell? It doesn't
You normally see, feel it. It's warm.
Is it kind of nice? Oh yeah, it's warm.
Oh, don't spit it on you. So
It's kind of nice.
it's warm though. Taste it, Jane. It's supposed to have. It normally smells a bit more than that. A well of living waters. It's supposed to like have healing properties. A tribute to the memory of who's that? Of this borough. I don't know. It's all yours, mate. Let's just have a walk up here, Lil, and we'll go round to the park then.
Okay.
Hey, can I have a walk along here?
Yeah.
This was where I'm sure this was where the microarium was when I was a kid.
That's easy. I could jump like.
Oh, they come from all over for that water. They're normally queuing up to drink that water, Lil. Buxton visitors. Oh yeah, it's the old pump rooms.
There are loads of caves in Castle, and Castle's got its own visitor centre, so we don't have that. These are the caves.
Oh, it's all been done up since last time we were here.
What's on the other side? It's a body.
Well, you'd normally go in the water, wouldn't you?
I don't know.
Has the crescent been done up?
Are we going to get to the park from here?
We're going to walk around. That down there, the Grove Hotel. When I was a kid, that's where we used to go for a lunch. They're doing the crescent tour, look. Beautiful old Victorian buildings, aren't they?
Is it a hotel there?
No,
Spa, it is.
yeah, well, the spa's here, but I don't know.
Mum, I don't want it.
It's called the Crescent, so.
It's not right in the
Look at this for a statue. This is in Buxton, in the Peak District. How beautiful is that? What a magnificent statue. Look at that. Royal Navy. Second World War. We're standing here overlooking Buxton. It's only half an hour or so's drive from where I live. It really is quite a beautiful place. If you want to.
Because I can edit it and then I put it on TikTok. Edit it after. I've never seen this dance. It goes on TikTok, it goes.
Faffy with a scarf.
Oh, we just videoed then when you were happy when you scored. Oh gosh, it's really bad. No, it's going on.
Why? Canada geese.
Oh, look at him, he's got blue on him.
That's a girl.
Oh, he's cute. She's cute. She's cute. Oh god, that.
Seen the pigeons fluffing themselves up trying to attract a girlfriend.
If there's a pigeon, but this is white, is it a girl?
Yeah, size got a bad leg, hasn't it? Look. That one that's
Oh yeah,
there at the front. Yeah, it's hurt his leg.
What are they supposed to do?
Nothing you can do. Look at the geese.
Ew. Daddy won't like it. Oh god. Oh, look at him.
Wetting his feathers, like. It's a train that goes round in Summit. Retire. One more. You had a good time, Lel?
I'm a real ass.
Hey?
I'm a real ass boo bun. Na 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 na. Yeah! Oh yeah, baby.
Naughty.
Dad, are we going back home and we're going that way?
Getting down this way because I
This
need
way
to
we're
go
going, Dad.
to little boy's room. Where we go? Yeah, it's not very warm, is it? Nice and sunny earlier. Not very sunny now. Buxton Pavilion. That's where we went for lunch. A bit breezy now. Buxton Park. Buxton Baths. Sunday afternoon in the Peak District. just got back from Buxton. Been Buxton for a couple of hours. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Showing you around the park and the pavilion, the old spring waters. So yeah, it's been an interesting couple of hours out. Bitterly cold. Can't wait till next weekend. They forecasted up to 18 degrees next weekend, allegedly. And next weekend, next Friday, Easter Friday, I'm taking Lily for her first ever wild camp. So that should be fun. So yeah, thank you very much for all the new subscribers. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. I will get lots more reviews put in. Lots of kit to review, just not had the time, but I will get to it and put some in this week. So yeah, thank you very much as always, and until next time, stay safe and goodbye.